We can go sit at D22.
Y'all want to be on the vlog?
Está viendo que está allá en el fondo.
And as I'm thinking back on this trip, y'all, my wig was just not secure this whole time. I actually ended up taking it off. That's my little sister. But please do not come for me in the comments. But I know my wig was lifted. Anyways, we were just landed in Dominican Republic. Everybody was speaking Spanish.
Rico sí pudo venir.
Okay, so guess where I am? Drop a comment. I have made it to Punta Cana.
Cana.
Is it, so it's Punta Cana. It's Punta Cana.
It's not Punta though, Kelly.
But it's a T. We're in Colombia. No, this is not Colombia. This is Dominican Republic. But it's a really nice room. And throughout this trip, guys, I'll try to get some like elevator music playing. But I'm gonna try to kind of give you guys a glimpse of Dominican Republic. It looks like a I don't know, like a function like for the resort or whatever. But yeah, I'm feeling it so far. But yeah, there's like this door, and I don't. Also, y'all, look at my bag. There's this door right here. But anyways, so when I left my precious luggage in the care of American Airlines, I had 4 wheels, now I have 3. Somebody contact American Airlines for me, because how am I getting home? How? But yeah, anywho, so in my room is my sister and my cousin, so we're gonna rock it out. There probably won't be on this vlog. It'll probably just mainly be me, because you know people get funny around the camera, but it's just literally just talking. But anyway, it doesn't even matter. It'll probably
all that is unnecessary.
Ooh, the lighting.
Kelly, I don't want to be on it.
The lighting is so super great, guys. I did bring some content outfits to do content. We'll just see how it goes, because you know I don't want it to be like just doing that. But yeah, so I'm super jealous because my little sister and my mom has a swim out pool or swim out room, so I'm definitely gonna make my way over there at some point. I just don't know when. But yeah, I have to check that out too. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for this trip and this vlog. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and give me a comment down below. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get into the rest of the trip.
You gonna vlog tonight?
No, I'm just showing them so y'all, this is my first outfit. This isn't like,
No, that was the guy at my desk.
this is from Walmart. I was rushing. And yep. Has pockets though. The pockets are cute. Get little shoes on.
You can't leave her. She's a child. She can't leave you.
So
We will.
oh, so this is it. But I'll see you guys later. It's day 2. Let me start over. So it's day 2 in Punta Cana. So today is kind of like a free day. So today we're going to go to the beach. We already ate. We got room service. That's what it looked like. Well, that's kind of like the presentation for the American type breakfast. But yeah, I took some content of some earrings and some pictures with the outfits, and they came out okay. And so now I'm about to go to another room, and we're going to the beach, and then we're going to go bowling. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out the room so they can go ahead and clean up. And so yeah, it's just a free day. I don't really want to bring my camera because I don't want it to get like messed up, but I think I'm gonna bring it. I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys so y'all can see a little bit of the country. So yeah, this is my hair. I'm just wearing 2-piece pink outfit, some sandals, and then I have my bathing suit underneath. I have my little underwater package, and I have an underwater phone case because I want to take y'all under the water with me. But yeah, hopefully I run into some of the wedding party. I can say hello, you know, talk. But the beach looks beautiful. So I just got out of the pool. I meant to like record that, but I got into the moment and I forgot to record that. But it goes to like 4 feet and it is beautiful. Look at it, guys. Dominican Republic. They're going to Punta. Isn't it gorgeous? I'll be back.
Yeah. Yeah.
About to get into the beach. There's a lot of solicitation, but we're not going to hold conversations with them. We're just going to enjoy the beach because we don't got time. Moscato?
I got scenes on my mind and some bills. I don't got a bills on my mind with my friends.
We are in the Dominican Republic, and we are at the beach, and yeah, I don't know what else to say. Kelly is at the beach over there with my mom, and me and my sister and my cousin are just catching the sun rays. Yeah, I don't have yes. Yes, that's what dudes do. Oh, I'm still recording. Hold on. So y'all, I had a blast in the water, but like, their beach is different. Like, when I tell you their beach is different, like, I literally hit my ankle, and now I have like a cut on my leg. Look. Y'all see? Did you hit the rock too? Got cut, and so now I'm down for the count because so now I got cut. I don't even know what to do now. It's like people are watching you. It's hard to relax. All right, so the last thing you guys saw was so their beach is a little different, and I'm actually running some water right now so I can take a little shower because we have dinner reservations. My little sister made a reservation to have dinner. So we're gonna do dinner, whatever. So I'm taking a shower or bath. But I hit a rock, and when I tell you guys, like, I hit it and then I thought I was gonna recover, like, no, I did not recover. Like, I literally fell again. I fell at least 3 times, y'all. So I fell the first time, and it was like a deep rock. It just felt like a cliff, like a little mini cliff. It was very scary, and I really thought I was gonna go off into the beach. But I got myself together. I got myself together and I got out of the beach, y'all, and it's not even that bad. But I have cleansed it, and now I have to wrap it up with the band-aid. So that's the last thing you guys saw. I'm gonna take a little bath, and then we're gonna go to dinner, and then I probably won't record that much. I don't know, I'm kind of feeling away because I don't really know that much Spanish, and so everybody here, it's not like Mexico. Mexico is so close to the US. It's like people, like, they know how to speak English, you know what I'm saying? And so going to Mexico, it was just, I don't know, it was different. Here, everyone pretty much, they want you to know some type of, like, they're like, if you're in Punta Cana, like, you need to know how to speak some type of Spanish. And I get it, but I don't know no Spanish for real, y'all. And so I kind of feel, I don't know, left out because I don't know. So I gotta do better. I'll do better next time I go out the country to kind of do some research and history to learn about the culture before I come. Definitely remember that if you guys are going to be traveling to Punta Cana or anywhere that speaks a foreign language, just try to do a little bit of research. But yeah, I'll probably show you guys what I'm wearing tonight. I really don't know. I didn't really bring a lot of stuff either. I really was rushing when I packed for this trip, so I don't really have a lot of like grand things, but I'll go ahead and show you guys my outfit a little later. And yeah, make sure you give me a thumbs up and like this video, and comment down below and subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be doing more videos like this, more vlogs and stuff like that. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. It's David. He's just talking to us. David's going to work. Bye, David.
corner. Behind the bar.
So
That's how to drink.
Crystal's trying to get drinks. My mom's chilling. Everybody's just chilling.
Did you get everyone's consent?
And so I can cut you guys out like within like 5 seconds. So yeah, now we're just sitting and about to enjoy family and get some drinks. Y'all can go ahead and talk. Don't have to worry about me. I'll block y'all voice
How you
out.
not gonna talk to us and we sitting right here with you? Like, how does that work?
So yeah. You said what?
Talking to you.
I'll talk.
My husband.
Her subscribers.
I'm dark.
All 100.
Oh.
Guys, I'm in Punta Cana. I joined. No, Punta Cana.
Punta Cana.
Relaxing. About to have me another drink, probably a rum and coke.
You and Amanda. That's what I drink.
So
I think it's
just wanted to say hello to the family, to the audience.
I don't know much
I
either.
say that if you ever wanted a place to come to relax, bring
Okay.
Macau in Punta
Macau.
Cana, Dominican Republic. Yes. Hola.
I don't know.
Rum and coke.
Do you speak English?
Habla inglés.
Oh, because we don't speak.
So yeah, now we're getting drinks and then we'll catch y'all back later. All right.
Trying to see if you can handle the surge. Trying to give us extra panic attack. Sorry if I gave a random erection. Probably thinking I'm attack and let it go. Wait, you a fan of the magic? Pussy like
All right, now sit it down. Sit it down here. Sit down. Ready? One more and then we'll be done. Does you see us? Yes. What's your sentiments?
Con de Dios. Con Dios todo.
Con Dios todo
Es posible.
es posible. No, that's not.
Con Dios. Con
Todo es
Con
posible.
Dios.
Con Dios.
En todos los días de este momento.
Con Dios todo es posible.
So we're done for the night and
I changed those all 15 minutes.
we shouldn't have because we had time.
Y'all almost knew what I was doing.
He's like, yes.
Oh, yeah, I did that. 2 points to Crystal, 3 for Will, and then. What's wrong with you?
What's you? Y'all look at my feet. Oh my gosh, my feet has never been this swollen.
Pregnant.
Huh? I know. And I'm not. Very far from it. So yes, hustlers, it's our last day. Well, actually, it's not our last day. It's our second to last day. Well, I'll put some music over this. Hola. Oh, it is raining. So I'm editing this video and realized I didn't even vlog the wedding. It was about traveling to Punta Cana anyway, so I'm just going to end the vlog here because there's no more footage, y'all. We had a great time. I'll actually insert some videos or pictures of the wedding, of my cousin's wedding. And yeah, we're just going to end at the airport, y'all. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like this video. I don't think I'm going to be traveling that much this year, but I'm going to have more videos like this in the future. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
Within the circus, or like the circus people. And they were okay. It wasn't like amazing. It was okay. I'll cut you out. It was really hard.
space. Safe, 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 yeah, safe, yeah. I get ready, send the safe, strap city safe, yeah. And your hoe, she ain't safe, she don't dinner plate,